Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Buck Does It. Today, it'll be a short video today. I'll just show you what I'm attempting to get done here on the Buck. Anyway, I got long wheel studs, and I never seen a pinion seal come in a box like this. But it did. So I already have the jack under there. I'm gonna see if I can get the pinion seal done, at least done today. See, I got long studs in the back here, and then in the front, I really don't like how far in they are. Can you see? I don't know if you can see how far in they are. So, because these wheels are pretty thick here, so I'm going to change those and see what I can get done here today. I got it jacked up and ready to take that dry shaft off and change that pinion seal at least today. That's where we're at. I just got done changing the fuel filters on the truck on Big Blue so we can tow this thing down there. Now I just got a couple little odds and ends here to fix. I got some trailer tires to get for the trailer. I'm gonna buy tags for that. A couple little things to do before No Name Nationals 2023. So with that, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ring the notification bell if you got one. Anyway, be good. If you can't be good, be kind. See ya.